The time has come to make a super review of the cooling system of my three-way Audi. And this video can work for you too. Then first, demineralized water. As you know, you can't put ordinary water on it, tap water, because it has mineral salt. So I chose to buy from the Kobe brand, a recognized and very good brand. But I'll leave the link below for you of the free market. But you can also search and find a seller, the best price. Then Kobe brand additive. This one is a concentrated additive. There are two models on the market. There is so much concentrate that it is this, as well as what is already ready to use. What comes ready to use comes a much larger amount. Because it is not concentrated, so you don't need to mix. In the case of my car, will be the 4 liters of demineralized water plus 2 liters of additive with no inlet. Okay guys, and beyond. Also, one of the other things that it's time to exchange. You must look in your car to make sure it's not leaking anymore. In yours is 8, generation 3 of course. The lid where the oil is sealed. There, that little black girl in the back. I will show you more closely. This little drunk you have here. That rubber with time, as there, right, it suffers pressure and everything else. And this rubber, it starts to get thin, she starts to lose her seal. And then when you go to see your car, you see that every oil stain, and you complete your car's engine oil. It is interesting that you carry out the exchange. Not that expensive. I recommend that you exchange by the original models it is. If you don't switch to original model, most likely won't bother anything. This one is an original lid too. I will leave the link for you on the free from where I bought, but you can look, like I said, in other places to be able to buy too. And finally, one of the problems that it is not common to give is the problem that my radiator on the side is leaking. That side box I will show you. This is the new radiator I bought. He is from the VW brand, which is the same brand as Audi. A Volks uses original from the factory, so the same model is of the same brand. It also comes with the brackets here for you to uniquely attach from the factory. And mine is having the problem, right? Some of them have a problem that is here. I'll show you up close. As you are seeing here, this plastic box on the side. What happens to the weight, right? From him, he breaking this little part here on the side, or it leaks through the tube connection here, or he ends up going through this metal side here. So I got this one new. It's all new, as you can see. He's from the VW brand. Sure, his code. I chose to do full maintenance, right? Change both radiator, as for water, as the fluid, and also change the oil cap. In another video I will show you is also his installation for you to see how it is. I do not recommend that you do it if you don't have all the tools and if you don't know what you are doing at the time of exchange. Okay, and another thing I'm going to do too, that I will exchange. And most likely it must be broken by now. What is the top knee brace? You're on the driver's side, and I'm going to show you the model of the piece, my spoiled original piece, and also the new piece. I hope I have helped you. This one is a video showing you about maintaining the real 8 engine cooling, 8 third generation. This radiator, it's the same as the Golf GTI, from Audi to 3 from LG. TT is standard all. They are poison closed.